Welcome to this moment of reconnection. You have faced storm and survived. You have carried pain and still move forward. This session is not about pretending everything is easy. It's about remembering the truth. You are strong. You are resilient. You are unbreakable. You don't have to do everything right now. You don't have to prove your worth to everyone. Right now, all you need to do is to be still and remember who you are. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Let your feet root into the ground and let your spine rise like a mountain. There is a quiet, steady power within you. Let's awaken it now. I am strong, even when I feel afraid. I am grounded, even when the world feels uncertain. I have walked through fire and emerged wiser. Every challenge has taught me something valuable. I do not need to be fearless to be powerful. Courage means I move forward with fear and I do it anyway. I trust in my ability to handle what comes my way. I have overcome before. I will overcome again. I release the need to rush. Strength is steady, quiet, and patient. I am deeply rooted like the trees. Winds may shake me, but I do not fall. I honor my emotions without letting them define me. I can feel sadness and still be strong. I can feel tired and still be brave. I hold space for my healing. I trust the peace of my growth. Every breath I take strengthens my inner foundation. I return to myself again and again. I am not broken. I am rebuilding. I am becoming. I stand tall in my truth. I speak with confidence. I walk through the world with presence and purpose. I let go of the need to explain my worth. I know who I am, and that is enough. I am not defined by my past. I am free to choose again. I am free to move forward. My strength is my calm. My power is my peace. No matter what this world brings, I return to my center. I rise from within. Take another breath now. Feel how solid you are. Feel how deeply supported you are by the earth beneath you. There may be chaos around you, but within you there is clarity, grace, and strength. You are not here to crumble. You are here to rise. You are not here to survive. You are here to thrive. And as you move forward today, carry this knowing in your heart. You are resilient. You are grounded. You are stronger than you know.